Hey Paw Care family, Paw Print's summer heat can be dangerous for dogs. Here's how to keep your pups safe and cool. First, always provide fresh, cold water. Hydration is critical in hot weather. Second, avoid walks during peak heat hours. Early morning or evening is best. Third, never leave your dog in a parked car. Even a few minutes can be deadly. Fourth, create a shaded, well-ventilated resting area at home. And finally, watch for signs of heat stroke, heavy panting, drooling, weakness, or vomiting. If you notice these symptoms, contact a vet immediately. Keep your dog cool, safe, and happy this summer. Follow Paw Care for more seasonal pet care tips.